Welcome to Michael's Aviary channel.
Hi, my name is Mary Lee Sloan. My first experience of parrots was 20 years ago when I bought my first lorikeet. It was supposed to be, I was sold it as a male, but it laid eggs, so I decided to get it a partner, and I started off breeding lorikeets, and then from there I just kept increasing more birds and more birds. My breeding facility name is Skybird Aviaries, but in 2006 I took over the license of an exporter, and so then I started to export birds out of New Zealand.
To where?
Pardon?
To where?
To where?
Yeah.
First of all, Taiwan was my first shipment, and then Japan. So then we've gone to Malaysia, Singapore. I set up Canada, but I didn't get to export there. They decided to not do it. We've exported to South Africa. We've exported to Hong Kong. We can export to Korea. But I haven't shipped there yet. And now we're shipping to the Philippines, which is quite exciting.
Thanks for visiting Michael's Aviary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more bird keeping content. See you in the next video.